In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use our templates in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or diving into this for the first time, these instructions will help you make the most of these templates, boosting your productivity and giving you a head start on your projects. First things first, you'll need to access your account. Head over to lucidchart.com where you'll find the login portal. If you look to the top right corner of the page, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now it's time to type in your email and password. Make sure to enter these details accurately to avoid any issues when signing in. Once you've done that, simply click on the login button. If you've entered everything correctly, you should be redirected to your dashboard seamlessly. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your documents. On the home page, look for the tab labeled Documents. This is essentially the hub of your projects where you can access all your saved work and any templates you've chosen to use. Once in the Documents section, you'll notice a range of options. What you want to do here is click on Templates. This will open up a whole realm of possibilities for you. You'll see an entire library of templates ready for you to explore, each serving different purposes and designed to cater to a wide array of project needs. When you first land on this page, you'll see a basic selection. To really dive into the options available, click on All Templates. This will open up the complete collection, giving you an extensive array of choices to fit your specific requirements. From here you can browse and select a template that suits your project best. Once you've set your eyes on a template, think about how it aligns with your workflow. This is an important step because the right template will not only save you time, but will also enhance the quality and clarity of your project. Look at the layout, the structure, and ensure it fits seamlessly with what you aim to achieve. After carefully choosing a template, it's almost time to bring it to life. With the template selected, locate the Use button. Usually it's prominently displayed so you can't miss it. Click on Use, and just like that you can start crafting your project with a ready-made foundation. And there you have it, you've learned how to effectively utilize our templates. This process not only saves time but also allows you to jump straight into the creative phase, ensuring your projects are both sharp and efficient from the get-go. Thanks for tuning in, and happy